current divider example 1. Okay. Calculate the value for the I3 for this circuit. So it's given by I naught is equals to 3 ampere. Okay, I naught is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay. What you need to do to calculate the I3 is you need to combine the resistance 6 ohm and resistance 15 ohm. These two resistance is connected in series. What you need to do is you need to combine them to get the R equivalent. So R equivalent will be 6 ohm plus 15 ohm. Then you get 21 ohm. Then when you simplify this circuit, it will be look like this. Okay. So you have one branch with the resistance R1, one branch with the resistance R2, and the third branch which resistance R equivalent. So this one is 21 ohm, this one is 10 ohm, this one is 40 ohm, this one is a current supply, which is I naught, this one is I1, this one is I2, this one is I3. Then how do you calculate the I3? You can calculate by using current divider. I3 is given by I3 is given by 1 over R3 over 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 times by I naught. So for this one, R3 is 1 over 21 ohm divided by 1 over 40 ohms plus 1 over R2 is 10 ohm plus 1 over 21 ohm times by 3 ampere. Then you get the value for the I3 is 0.827 ampere. So you can calculate the I1, I2 and I3. So the value for I1 plus I2 plus I3 should be equals to I naught. Then you know that your answer is correct. That's all for example 1.